Hello and welcome to my class. Myself, Assistant Professor Engineer Rajiv Mishra, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about subject which is known as surveying and geomatics. As we know, it is a subject which is taught in Civil Engineering Department in third semester, and we are going to discuss some of the basic topics in the subject. First of all, what is surveying? Surveying is the art of determining relative position of points above the earth's surface or beneath the earth's surface or on the earth's surface and locating the points in the field. It means whether we are going to measure the reduced level, direction, coordinates of any points in space on the earth's surface or below the earth's surface. This art or this method is called surveying. Now, what is the role of surveyor? Surveyor consists of 5 phases. First one is decision making, selecting the different methods for appropriate determination of any point, and equipments and instruments which are to be used in the survey, and after that we find the accurate locations of the points. Second step is field work and data collection. It involves measuring the different types of data in the field using instruments. Different types of instruments and different types of methods can be used for data collection. Third is computing and data processing. In this, we prepare calculations on the basis of the data collected in the second stage and determine the location in usable form. Next stage is mapping or data representation. Now we have the data, and now we are supposed to plot this data on a map or any drawing sheet or any chart paper in a proper form. In surveying, different objects are represented with different types of symbols. So mapping is important with correct data and as well as correct set of information and correct symbols. Last step is stakeout. In this, locating and establishing monuments or stakes in the proper location in the fields. Now, what is the object of surveying? The primary object of surveying is to prepare a plan of any building, real estate, roads, railway lines, pipelines, canals, etc., and to measure the area of field, any state, any district, or any nation, or any country. Second object is geodetic surveying. In this, we use to determine precise position of the points on the surface of Earth with different benchmarks or control points. These are called distance points. Now, uses of surveying. What are the uses? First is to prepare a topographical map which shows hills, valleys, rivers, villages, towns, etc. of a country. Second, to prepare cadastral map showing the boundaries of houses, properties. And third, to prepare engineering map like details of a road, railway line, canals, etc. Other than that, we can use surveying to prepare military maps showing roads, railway lines, and communication with the different parts of the country. Next, we can use surveying to prepare any contour map and to determine the capacity of any reservoir and find out the best possible route for any road, railway, etc. In surveying, we can also prepare archaeological map including the places like ancient relics and other important historical sites. Now, classification. In primary classification, we can say surveying can be divided into two parts. First is plain surveying and second is geodetic surveying. In plain surveying, the shape of earth is neglected. Means we know that the earth is a spherical shape, but in plain surveying we neglect the spherical shape of the earth's surface. Also, the curvature of earth is not taken into account while we are doing plain surveying. This work is generally carried out for a small area and the degree of accuracy is completely low because we are doing a small piece of surveying work and for a small area, and we are using the instruments that are less precise in comparison to the geodetic surveying. Plain surveying is generally done for the area less than 250 square kilometers. Next is geodetic surveying. In geodetic surveying, earth curvature is taken into consideration. As we know, the surface of earth is nearly spherical, so we consider the earth as a spherical surface and we do surveying with more precise instruments. If we are going to work for geodetic surveying, it requires important and precise instruments as well as the area is also greater than the plain surveying case, that is 250 square kilometer above. The line joining any two points is considered as curved line. That means we are using spherical shape of the earth surface. Precise and refined instruments are also used for greater accuracy and precision. Secondary classification can be divided based on the instruments used. It can be chain survey, compass survey, plane table survey, theodolite survey, tachometric survey, photographic survey, and many other instruments are also applied in the secondary classification method that we will discuss in the next class. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Thank you.